Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to log into Eva Airlines website easily and quickly. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to Eva Airlines official website. You can do this by typing www.evaair.com into your address bar. Now go to the given bar notation and click on login button. Here, if you are new, you can register now by clicking on the given link. Well, if you are already a member, you can enter your membership number or email address or username and along with your password and also the given captcha to log in and access your account. If you have forgotten your membership number, you can easily click on that link and follow the given instruction. Also, if you have forgotten your password or want to create a new one, click on given respective links and follow the given instruction to reset or retrieve your password. You can also click on remember me button here to save your login info. Well, that's it for today, and thank you so much for watching our video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for the future topic, please leave them in the comment section below. We love hearing from you. Till then, take care